Up YouTube, Mr. Dig inside the Twycross Zoo. Quite a lovely day out here. Only been inside about 20-30 minutes or so, but I've just been that place behind me. I've just been in there and I've just fed a load of exotic birds. Which I'll show in another video. But yeah, it's quite relaxing here as well, and as you can clearly see, there's quite a few people about. It's packed because it's school holiday time as well. There's the wife enjoying herself. Yeah, like I say, I've just been inside there. You get what you do is you get little pots at the door. Little pots of nectar, and you can feed the birds, and they come to you and they're quite free and easy, and I have videoed some of it, so it'll either be shown a bit later today or straight after this one. So I'll catch you later.